finally, the year is about to end, and Bolt is rewarding its top drivers, cars, and other home appliances. Win one of the two brand new cars. The Drivers League is back, and you could win a brand new car along with other great prizes like home appliances and television set. What do you have to do in order to achieve or to win this league or to be part of the top drivers? This is what one must do as a boat driver to become a top driver. I have some tips on how to become a top driver on boat. You can follow that to get more information as well as this. Win one of the two brand new Suzuki cars. The Boat Drivers League campaign is back. It's time of the year again. The Boat Driver League is back, and this time around, you could win one of the brand new Suzuki vehicle. The Boat Drivers League is it's an 8 weeks contest running from the 8th of August to the 2nd of October, where boat drivers in Ghana can win brand new car plus weekly prizes, including home appliances, mobile phone, and fuel cards. So it's a 2 month promo, which when you do the requirement, you could win one of the cars. The best part, you win by doing what you do best. What we do best is to drive, pick passengers, drop them, collect money. Driving and providing a top-notch service for riders, which earns you points. So as you pick riders, you get a point. So every rider you pick, you'll be getting a point along. Those with the highest points at the end of the competition will win. Winning a brand new car means being your own boss and keeping 100% of your earnings. It's life changing. So it's not because of the campaign. So because you've worked, both will allow you to get access to your money. You get your money, and if you are lacking enough and you work hard, you could win one of the cars. If you don't believe, you can watch this video about someone who has been a top driver in 2020 and has won or has been given one of the car in the previous year. And his name is Isaac Awachi. So this is his testimony to whatever we are saying, or this is backing what we are saying.
My name is Isaac Awachi. Mini boat I hear a Juma for 3 years in Echini. Time na My name is Isaac Awachi. Mini boat I hear a Juma for 3 years in Echini. Time na mini boat in Juma. Then a system more dimami pa. And the meet is a boat about a Juma. Thereby my family control and the diminution. My first month is coming in. In my amazing guarantee the boat is what day. On a one trip in your 150 pay. Yeah, and you 200. We starting at buy and low. And I 2 0 see yes. Me too for say me all answers in Kwade, boot. Na boot every to wow. Me see Mr. T a boot. Let me chew cow, let me name cow. We could be on my says car and MG. Then Yamiado go to 4 estates a car promotion. We my heart. wɔn kyekyɛ wɔn kɔ bɔ ɛmu na mi ni kaa no mu baako nsisi ano yɛ car owner from zero to car owner. My name is Isaac Awoche. Mini boat ayɛ adwuma for 3 years ni akyire ni. Mini boat ɛnyɛ adwuma no ɛna system no mu ɔde ma me paa.
To increase your chance of entering the festive period with a brand new car, we are giving out brand new cars across two separate categories depending on where in Ghana you drive with both. The winner of each category wins a brand new Suzuki car. Championship League. This league is open to all boat drivers in Accra for the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Swift. Earn points by completing more trips, going online more, and maintaining a high activity score. So you complete more trips. Completing more trips, that means you are online. You must be ready to accept trips in order for you to be online. And your activity too must be high. The driver with the highest points at the end of the 8 weeks win. See the graphic below for the breakdown of how points are allocated. So when you complete a ride, you get 10%. So for every ride you complete, you get 10 points. So let's say you complete 100 rides. That means you've gotten 100 rides. Each ride is 10 points. So you multiply by 8, which is 1,000. For every hour you stay online, you also get 5 points. So in a day, assuming you stay online for 20 hours, that means you also be getting 100 points for that. Your activity score, 90% is 20 points. 80 to 89% is 10 points. 70 to 79, 5 points. 60 and below is 5 points. As a new driver, you automatically get 100%, 100 points because you have registered. Pro League. All drivers in Kumasi and Takoradi will compete in the Pro League for the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Alt. Points will be earned for completed trips, hours spent online, and keeping a high activity score. The driver with the highest points at the end of the contest win. New drivers. New drivers are eligible to compete in the championship or the Pro League category depending on the boat city you operate in. So in Ghana, boat is in around 6 to 7 cities. The overall best new driver will win a brand new NASCO refrigerator. As a bonus, new driver who take their first trip within 24 hours after registration will earn 100% booster points with the first 50 getting fuel coupons worth over 100 cedis. Also, a boat driver in Ghana, you can earn 1,400 per week on average on top of this chance to win amazing prizes. So if you are a new driver or you want to become a boat driver, you can message us, then we'll get you on board. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel and share to all your friends the good news on how to win this amazing promo. Good lucks in advance. Let the best man win. Thank you.